Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to match your lace to your skin tone. Now this is an old video of me showing how to revamp and install an old frontal wig. Now in today's video it's a continuation of the 2x6 wig making closure series, and you're going to use this lace tint to tint the lace. Okay, and I'm going to show you a side-by-side comparison of the before and after lace tinting using a 2x6 closure and the lace tint, right? So this is the outside part of the wig. You can see the difference between the two. Now this thing, right, if you know how to use this Ritz all-purpose dye, please let me know in the comment section, because I've tried everything I can and I still can't, don't know how to use it. Now before you tint your lace, obviously if you finish making your wig, you would want to cut the part of the wig that is on top of the lace, like as you can see in the video, right? So this is how the lace looks like if you've been following this video. So you're going to cut the lace. Now what you want to do is you want to use a scissors to cut the lace. Now what you want to do is that if you're a beginner, you can put the wig on a table or you can put it on your lap and cut it, but because I am demonstrating this thing to you, that's why I have it held in my hand. But the best way is for you to put it on a surface so that you can easily cut and control it. Now when you're cutting it, you want to make sure that you don't cut too close to the stitches, okay? Because if you're not lucky and you cut the stitch, you probably would have to remake it or kind of sew it again, but we don't want that. You want to have this thing done stress-free, okay? So you want to cut it a bit, leave some sort of space or allowance on your cutting. You have to cut it very carefully. It's not a rush. You can finish this thing in like a minute or two, so you don't have to rush at all. So you can cut it and then later on just go and trim a bit of it. But yeah, this is it, and yeah, that's how to cut it. Basically, it's not anything too difficult. So this is it. So after cutting, this is what you should see on your wig. This is exactly what your wig should look like. So now you're going to tint the lace with this lace tint that I made. You're going to need a blow dryer, or if you have enough time you can just wait for it to dry, but I ain't got time, so we're going to tint the lace. Now make sure that your closure is already bleached before you tint it, because what's the purpose of customizing your closure? So whether it's a closure or frontal, you still follow the same process. So you're going to spray the lace tint on the lace, okay? So depending on how concentrated your tint is, that is the number of times that you would want to apply your tint. So if it is a lot more concentrated, then probably you just need only one round or one application, or depending on how how saturated your lace tint is. So after that, if you have enough time, after spraying your lace tint on your lace, if you have enough time, you can wait as long as you want. But because you don't have time, I'm going in with a blow dryer to speed up the whole process. So after that, I wanted it to be a little more concentrated, like a little more darker. So I went in again to use my lace tint right after it was dried, and I also repeated the process of drying. So this is how it looks like. Very simple, quick and easy. I would prefer this one. So this is the how do you call it, this is the inside of the lace and this is the outside of the lace. So you can see that it kind of matches, it matches my skin a lot more than before. Can you guys see that? Yes, than before. So this is basically how to tint your lace. Now you can use makeup, but then this is going to last you quite a longer period of time. So yeah, that is it. Thank you so much for tuning in today's video, and I hope you enjoy. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video, and I'll see you very soon in my next video. Bye.